Hello and welcome to another. Involve is making, say, a roti along with your tikka. So that way you need not have another particular vessel to do it. One vessel will be more than enough for you to do both. So we have a reversible grill and it's available in a circle and square shape. The fourth important factor is weight. When it comes to cast iron, it needs to have a reasonable amount of weight to ensure that there is even heating, and this even heating will result in that nice crispy outside layer and soft juicy inside layer. This is the perfect solution for that tasty tikka that we all love. So this weight consideration is very important. What we did is we experimented with different weights, the higher ones, the lower ones, and it's mostly like the Goldilocks story where we found the perfect weight in case of each different grill. The other thing that we really care about are our handles. So the handles need to be ergonomic and they also need to fit an Indian gas stove. If we were to mimic, say, a design that's used in Europe or in US, that would be really difficult because their counters or their stoves are made very differently. We have to ensure that the handle and the whole utensil fits very well for our Indian gas stoves, let it be our 2 burners or 3 burners or 4 burners. All of our handles are made in a way that they are compact and easy to use. We understand that cast iron handles might sometimes become hot, so we offer silicone handles as covers that will help you eliminate heat as you're handling it. The final but very important piece that we bring into consideration is ease of clean. Especially when it comes to grilling, you'll see there's a lot of fond or those sticky bits that tends to stick to your grill pan. This is where I really care about, because Indian grilling is very different from what happens in the West. We typically tend to marinate our meat or vegetables with a little bit of curd and masalas, and we let them soak for some time before we grill. It gives us that tasty thing that we all love. But what it also does is leave a lot of charring behind on the grill. So we've ensured that the grooves are built in a way and the pan is built in a way that it becomes really easy to clean. All the features that we've just discussed today came through after we've tested a lot of existing products in the market, worked a lot with our manufacturing partners, and testing all of these out step by step throughout the prototyping stage. It's a lot of painstaking effort by the team, but it's definitely worth it when we can eat those tasty grilled treats. Do remember, before you buy a grill pan, there is a lot that goes behind it. Our team ensures that you have the right number of grooves, the right kind of grooves, the right kind of distance between the grooves. It ensures the weight is right, the handles are perfect, you have silicone cover, and it's super easy to clean. You can choose any brand out there, but there's a reason why we put in so much thought. We think that healthy cookware should be easy and effortless, and there are a lot of man-hours that go behind doing this. I hope that this video helped you understand why good cookware is essential to ensure that you are able to serve healthy food for your family. Now that we've understood the step-by-step process behind grilling, I'm sure you're an expert, and I'm going to try out all the new grilling recipes at home. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to press the like button, share it with a friend. We have more such videos on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and check out the channel for more such videos. Thank you.